Are get views notifications not working on the Threads app? If you are not receiving notifications about views alerts aren't appearing, or notification settings aren't working properly, it can affect how you keep track of activity on your Threads app. This video will show you how to fix get views notifications on Threads app. The first thing you have to do is to go to Threads, and we click here. Then in this page, you will go to profile. You will find this list. You will click on above. Here in this page, you will go to notifications, and then here we go to trees and replace, and then you will find view. Here views. You will find them here, and you will tap to on. So please don't forget to